Hello guys, so if you're looking to sub to Twitch with your Twitch Prime or Amazon Prime account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, for doing that, go to your browser, then just simply search in Amazon, then click on your account, then go to Prime over here. Now, make sure you already have a Prime membership of Amazon Prime. So to actually sub to Twitch, what you have to do is just simply go to Prime Gaming. So to go to Prime Gaming, what you can do is just simply open a new tab and just simply write Prime Gaming Twitch over here, and just simply click on Prime Gaming Support. Just simply click on this page over here. Now, when the support page will open, click on link your Amazon to Twitch account, click on it, then click on Prime Gaming, your Twitch account. Now to redirect to your Prime Gaming account, as you can see, it is currently logged in my ID. Now, over here, as you can see, it is written click to connect account. So before connecting your Twitch account, make sure to log in with your Twitch account on that same browser. So it will be a very faster process. So as you can see, this is my ID and it's currently logged into my Twitch account on the very same browser. Now, all you have to do is just simply go to Amazon Prime Gaming, connect a Twitch account, click on it and wait for a few seconds. Then it will redirect to your Twitch account page. Then just simply click on confirm, and over here it will show you which account is connecting to which account. As you can see, my Amazon account is connected to my Twitch account over here. So click on confirm, wait for a few seconds, and it's done. Now after that is done, you can go to any of your favorite Twitch streamer and subscribe to them. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.